Hello ladies and gentlemen, it's me, NYSE Einstein from the Florida New York Stock Exchange. I believe it's November 21st. We got a market green again. Last week we had 4 downer days, up 1 big day. Volatility's back in the market, though volume is light. We have Thanksgiving this week. We have a holiday week in general. Today, a lot of green around the board. We opened up solid, traded up about 100 points across the board. Transports are up. Dollar is up, spiders are up, Russell is up big, 10 points, way more than actually the market portends, right? So everyone was saying, is there going to be a sell-side follow-through after the weekend and whatnot, coming into the holiday week? Even though we had 5 or 6 down days, we did break through on the Wednesday up 200 day, and I thought that was significant. You and I talked about it on Friday. So net at the end of the day, we're continuing the upside lean. We are the path of least resistance, seems to me to be up, even though people are just chattering about those 6 down days, but I think they were not significant because of the way they traded down emotionally and ended up closing up to the far right upper hand corner of the graph. Today, I don't know if it was earnings or what, but tax reform bill's on the table. It won't be completed by the Senate until after the holiday. Net market felt strong. It was all green throughout the day until 3:08. So we've got this deal pending between AT&T and Time Warner. A lot of antitrust chatter and hair on that trade altogether. Today at 3:08, the DOJ came out and said there's going to be an announcement about an antitrust lawsuit filed by them. The market started to cave over. Now, look, it is a significant deal. It is a very U.S. economy-driven deal about antitrust, monopoly, and whatnot, but we didn't know what it was going to be, but it definitely cracked the rally of the market. People kept saying this 23.5 level seems to be a top, and it may be indeed, but it's not selling off in any possible way. 3:08, 3:18, the actual news came out. They are filing a lawsuit against AT&T for antitrust on the Time Warner deal, trying to bust that up. And the market sold off hard. We ended up closing up 72, not a bad show. We did sell off radically for about 20 minutes. Radically meaning spider trade down about 60 cents, at most, and then rallied back on the post. So, for me, it's really important to look at how the day ended. We got emotional for a moment. If you look at the spider chart around that announcement, around that pulling of that deal, not that really affects the whole nature of the economy. Those are times where you sit around and wait and buy some stocks that are overreacting, not in that sector, to a sell-off in the market per se. It definitely dragged the market down. Market popped back, not to its high of the day, but definitely closed in deep green territory. The Dow at 23.4, transports up 40, market feels solid. There was some red across the board. VIX traded down, drug index utilities traded down. Not that significant. Feels like we're coming into another green week. We'll see what happens tomorrow. It is Thanksgiving. Happy Turkey Day. I did a big interview today for Spiegel TV. Good for them, good for me, good for you. More exposure, all the better. NYSE Einstein, Inside Verstov, the best TV in the world. Stick with me, stick with the NYSE, stick with Einstein. Later.